Changing your primary email on Canva Enterprise is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Canva Enterprise account by entering your current email and password on the Canva login page. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use ESER to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Access email settings. In the account settings menu, look for the email section. Here, you will see your current primary email address listed. Step 4. Update your email. Click on the option to edit or change your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field and confirm it if required. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new email, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Now you can enjoy using your Canva Enterprise account with your new primary email.